my god, where was that at? Welcome back to another video. As you know, in my last video I came back positive for coronavirus and I really didn't feel good today, so I didn't feel like recording a video. And plus, when I went to go record the video, nothing's really going on in the United States that's that interesting. There's some snow squalls and snow showers, but you know, nothing really significant going on, so I figured I would just edit an old Thunderstorm video. This was from July 2nd, 2019. This is a long time ago. I'm a young kid, don't judge me. I was like 14 in this, I believe. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Maybe you can like and subscribe. Oh, it's coming down so hard. This is insane. I can't believe this. I'm trying to keep the door open. Got it. Holy cow! Oh my god, where was that at? I think this camera caught it. Uh-oh. I thought it was gonna be another loud one. And it is. I'm freaking. Oh my god, that was so scary. Uh-oh. Yo, look at this umbrella. Oh, I'm so shaken. Holy cow. Uh-oh.